Hey guys, what's up? So today you are going to learn. Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to learn how you can create an AI software, an AI consultant, a business consultant that actually tells you the problems that are there in your business, analyzes what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses, and tells you the next 90-day roadmap, plus gives you a 24-hour roadmap to get started with the things. So which helps you not only just to get your business on track, but also helps you analyze within just 6 to 7 MCQs. Isn't it amazing? Right, so let's understand like how did I create this kind of a software and how could you create it. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to lovable dev. You have to search this website, this powerful website named lovable dev, and then you have to put on the prompts. So what I have put on the prompt is there's something like this. This is the prompt that I've put out, and within like a 5-10 minutes itself, it gave me like almost 2 minutes 26 seconds. In fact, it gave me a really good looking website, a web page with this. And then I added few tweaks saying that okay, I needed this to be very good, needed more questions, needed more details, needed a detailed answer, and just did some prompt engineering that you can call it prompt engineering, but I call it back and forth, right? But again, at the end of the day, I've got this very thing. So let's test it out, right? There are two ways to test it out. You can easily like access it from here, but if you are confused about okay, if this is just a web page or is it something that we can share it as well, so yeah, you can share it as well. So what I'll do is I'll click on publish, then I'll click on again publish. You can add your custom domain over here. You can change it according to you, right? So now it's like kind of publishing, and I think it's done. Okay, so we have this our founder inside AI plan. Okay, that this guy is calling it. So let's paste it over here and see how it performs. It's taking some time to load. Let's see. If it doesn't load over here, then I'm literally freaked. Okay, it is. Now we have our own AI McKinsey level AI business consultant, which is cool, right? So let's get started. Let's start with that assignment. What type of a business do you run? Just select one of these. If you want to select other as well, you can select. Let's suppose let's do it for my business, so it's marketing agency, or let's do it for like a local business, something like a restaurant. Okay, keep in mind what stage is your business currently in. So let's suppose you want to like open a restaurant, and you have already opened a restaurant. It's like an early startup and seeking the product market fit. So you are looking for the offer, the right offer, in the sense like right cuisine to offer. Okay, something like that. So something like if you are in a place where a lot of India, a lot of North Indian cuisines are there, a lot of different other cuisines are there. So you want to fit in that, or how do you want the market to respond to your products? That's something is early startup stage. The next thing is what is your current annual revenue range. Now that's very simple. You have to just select what revenue you make. So we select 0. Right, next thing is what's the biggest challenge for your local business? Getting found by local customers online, that's something, right? Initially that will have. As an early stage business, what should be your immediate focus? Validating my business idea with real customers, that is something. Building a test and testing a minimum valuable product, I think this is more important. Acquiring my first paying customers, securing initial funding or bootstrap growth, this is not something I think. Validating my no build Validating my idea is very important, because this is the biggest blunder that restaurant business owners make, is that they open the restaurant. It it is looking good as well, but the thing is that it doesn't run by looking good, or it doesn't run by good food. It actually runs because you have marketed it and understood that what are the different areas, that you're going to that is going to be your target market, have you ever tried to research about them, and have you ever tried to see if what the market share is of the cuisine that you're offering or of the theme that you're offering, right? So a lot of things goes in place, so we need to first validate our business idea, and then why how would you describe your decision making style as a founder. So this is a very personal thing, so in this I've also included that rate yourself and help according to the personality types, because again, if you are a hard worker and I'm a lazy guy, then I would choose a different path. So let's suppose I'm a lazy guy. So what I do is I'm not an analytical guy at all. I'm an intuitive guy, yeah, and makes quick decisions. This is something that doesn't align. Collaborative, I prefer team input. Experimental, I test small, yeah. Experimental, okay. When facing high pressure situations, you typically see, this is again a personality test question. So create detailed plans and cognitives. Seek advice from mentors or advisors. Next, any specific context about your business that you know. We started, let's suppose we like frame it out a bit, okay. We started it out in this month, and we are yet to know if our cuisine is something that could be accepted by others, and we could gain some market share as new arrivals into the restaurant industry in, let's suppose, New Delhi's Karol Bagh. Okay, let's put that. And now this is the AI that's analyzing everything, and it has come up with. So this is the dashboard that it has created. It's a very cool looking dashboard, right? If you see, so you can go through this. Basically, it went through our entire thing, and it got these results which says business profile stage, early stage startup. So this is something that we gave it to you, her it. Lovable is kind of like a she only, I don't think so. But yeah, it has given us a step by step plan. Week 1 foundation reality check. Grab a notebook or open a spreadsheet. List every revenue source you have, how much each generates monthly, and rank them most to least reliable. Be brutally honest, no inflating numbers, okay. Contact 5 existing customers this week and ask what problems are you trying to solve when you are founders, and what made you choose a competitor instead, okay. Not in the context of a restaurant, but of course it's helpful. Third is find 3 direct competitors. Visit their website, check their pricing, rate customers, and everything. Okay, got it. Local visibility. Update a Google My Business. That's something that I was expecting. Google My Business is a must if you are a restaurant owner. Second is referral system implementation. Create a simple referral offer. Refer a friend. Both get 15% on the next service. Print business cards. Give the with this offer. Give 5 cards to each. Every satisfied customer take referrals. Okay, that's good. Local partnership outreach. Visit 10 complimentary local businesses if you are a plumber. Visit real estate contractors, etc. Introduce yourself, leave your card, offer a partnership discount, follow up in a week. That's cool. That's cool. That's really good. And systems and processes. Standard processing operating procedures. Okay, SOPs. You have to create all document almost 3 to 4 important business procedures step by step. Okay, customer communication template, each email, okay. So basically it has given a lot of things, right, and some of it is actually very useful, and some of it is something that and I'm still skeptical about. But again, the thing is that it has given you enough data to start your work, and it has analyzed everything in just 8 questions, right? So what happens is, like, if you want again to make an AI like this, I have you can just copy, you can just click on the link below. There will be a document, and you can click on that document, which will have all the prompts and everything that I'll provide it to you. And again, if you want or if you need help with learning more AI tools, then just subscribe this page, because this is the only space where you're going to learn really practical uses of like AI without much editing, right? It's totally raw and uncut. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe, share it with your friends so they understand how exactly can you build a particular web page, an, an AI consultant, a business consultant, right? And make sure you literally make those McKinsey guys feel at loss that their job is going to be sold out soon. Now, um, that's it for the game. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching it till the very end. And yep, bye bye.